Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate SEO reporting using Ahrefs detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool on the dashboard. Enter the URL for the website you want to analyze. Click on the search button to load the website data. Once the data loads, select the organic search option from the left side menu. Review the organic traffic overview provided. Next, click on Keywords to see the list of keywords driving traffic. Export this data by locating the Export button, typically located at the top right of the Keywords table. Choose your preferred export format, such as CSV or Excel. Click on the Export button to download the file to your computer. Open the downloaded file using your spreadsheet application. Filter the data to focus specifically on the keywords relevant to your affiliate products. Identify the keywords that generate the highest traffic and conversions. Next, head over to the Site Audit tool in Ahrefs. Input the same website URL for a comprehensive site audit. Once the audit completes, click on Internal Pages to see how well the site is optimized. Export the audit results for further analysis. In your spreadsheet application, merge the keyword and audit data for a full overview. Focus on the correlation between high-traffic keywords and site performance. Create charts or graphs to visualize the data, making it easier to present findings. Prepare a summary report highlighting key insights and actionable strategies. Use this report to strategize the next steps for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Ensure to review and update this report regularly to keep track of performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.